how to fix Uber Eats payment error. So here's what you want to do. Close the app completely and then go into your phone settings. I'm going to show you two methods. For the first one, you want to use the search bar to search for iPhone storage here. So just click on iPhone storage. And then from the list of applications that pop up, you want to find Uber Eats. Click on show all if you don't see it immediately, and then just find Uber Eats. Once you find the app, we'll click on offload app. And once the app has been offloaded, we'll just click on reinstall like this. Give it some time. I'm gonna come back in a few seconds. Okay, so once you have offloaded the app and pre-installed it, you can open up the app and see if that fixes it for you. If it still doesn't work, what you have to do is click on account here at the bottom right. Then we will go into wallet, and then you will just remove and add your payment method again. So click on add payment method once you have removed it, and here you will choose your preferred payment method. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.